Hey guys, Chad, C&D Garage Toys. We're back here with just another cheap, kind of little interesting find on Amazon. This is a center console cover. Kind of hard to see it there. But anyways, it's supposed to be a neoprene center console cover. Mine I ordered with the tan leather seats in it, as you can see behind me. But if you get to looking right there, yeah, they decided in their infinite wisdom that all the black console covers should be black. Tan, it ought to have a tan center console cover. Regardless, you know, you get hot in the summertime, you sweat, you know, you just get in and get out. Everybody puts their arm on the center console, it gets dirty. So I guess maybe that's why they didn't go with the tan. So anyways, I don't like it. I put my arm on mine quite a bit, and especially having a manual when you're shifting quite a bit, it just kind of, you know, you put your arm there, it's too handy. So I don't want mine to get dirty. Didn't spend this amount of money on a vehicle to, you know, just have it sweat stained and stuff like that. People that work out and everything, you know, I mean, you know, it just gets nasty after a while. So anyways, we've got this center console cover here we're going to put on. Take it out of the package here. And it appears to be pretty heavy duty. This is more kind of like a, let me get it up here where you guys can see, kind of like a felt with like probably a thin neoprene on it. The sides are neoprene. They feel like they're one layer on the sides, and they feel pretty heavy. It does have the cutout here for the center so you can still get to the latches. It has the keyhole there so you can still get to your keyhole to lock your center console. So we'll see how this goes on. I have heard this is a pain in the butt, so I'm not going to put you guys through the pain of watching me try to stretch this on to a center console cover. So once I get it on, then I'll let you guys see what it looks like and let you know how hard it was to get on. So hang on just a second and we'll get this installed for you guys. Okay, so we got this installed. Took us a few minutes here. Am I a big fan of it? No, not really. Am I gonna send it back? I might see how it does. So the thing I didn't like about it is back here in the back, it's a pretty tight fit because that neoprene and padding is so thick. When you want to pull up on the top layer here on the cover, it just kind of almost wants to bind up in there because this is pretty thick. I think over time it would probably wear down. On the sides here, it's almost like they cut it, maybe like if this center console part up here had been like a ½ inch wider, then these probably would come down and go around. They might stretch over time. I think this was about 20 bucks or so. So I'll probably keep it just for the 20 bucks and see how it does over time. So anyways, that just kind of keeps me from getting, you know, dirt and stuff from work on here. Kind of keeps it, you know, at least a little nicer for what it is. So, all right. Well, that's it for today, guys. When I get something else in, I'll let you know, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and like, comment. Let me know if you guys got one of these, or what you guys do to protect your center console. Be interesting to find out. So if you guys bought one of these, let me know. If you guys returned it, if you kept it, maybe over time it kind of stretched out on the top a little bit. So anyways, that's it this time, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video.